we're going to demonstrate some of the features of our quickie tie downs. So the first thing is I have this bunch of fence posts here, and what I did is I tied them together with this quickie tie down. I just want to show you how extremely tight that you can get this rope. Like, that is as tight as you can possibly get that by just giving it a little pull. That is snug. So what I'm going to do is, now that this is all bundled up, I want to show how you can really get some tension on this. First of all, we have our quickie here. It's all nice and tied up. Just drop the knot out and you're ready to tie your load down. So what I always do is I just start with the hook end, and I hook the hook end up first, and then I'll drag the block end over to where the other anchor point is. Alright? So then I have that, and I'll give it a little pull just to get it a little snug, right? So then we have a lot of extra rope here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to coil this rope up on my hand, and then I'm going to pull that running line through the center of the coil, because it'll get rid of all the extra rope. And also what it does for you, not only gets rid of all the extra rope, but it gives this nice big ball that you can really grip to pull this quickie extremely tight. So now I'm going to give this another little pull so you can hear that clicking. Okay, so listen to this. That is super extremely tight. That is not moving whatsoever. Alright, so that shows you that you can tie any load down incredibly secure with the quickie. The pulley does all the hard work for you, gives you all the pulling power, really puts an incredible amount of tension on that rope. All right, so that load will not go anywhere. You can hear that sound, right? Could play a tune on that. Okay, so the other thing we have is we have our 1/8 inch quickies, and people always say to me, well, where do you use these 1/8 inch quickies? Well, this is a perfect example. We have a little gas can here I'm going to tie down. So we have our 1/8 inch quickie. It's got amazing, even ropes can get a little tangled. We might have to do some editing. Okay, so we got this little 1/8 inch quickie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to anchor it down here, run it through the, and we've already got one quickie already on this. It's still loose though. Run it through the handle of that gas can, bring her back down, another anchor point. Okay, and all you have to do, see this little quickie here, it takes the place of your bungee cords. Let's just do that again. Pull that there, run over to your other anchor point, give it a little pull like that, and it's just that simple. Do you think that's tight? I think that's pretty tight. All right. So not only have we showed you how you can get these big 3/8 quickies tightened down extremely tight, but now you can see these 1/4 inch quickies take the place of your bungee cords. You can tie down any load extremely tight. Until next time,